I'm Daksha and I'm an optometrist. I've been qualified for almost 30 years and I have my own business. The reason I attended the Business Accelerator is really because I want to grow my business. I'm looking at retiring and I actually wanted to increase the sales and increase the number of appointments that we can book for an eye test. I would recommend this highly because I think both James and Jesse are very good at what they do. It teaches you a lot in terms of marketing, and Jesse, who's a very good speaker, also teaches you how to speak and sell. So yes, I think it would be useful for anybody that wants to either start up a business or grow their business.